Hello, welcome to another episode of I Am Too Busy to Read the Manual. To change the light mode settings on the camera, first we need to log in and open the main menu. Go to Setup, then Image Control under Channel. Click on the gear icon next to the camera you wish to modify. The drop-down list for Image Mode is where you control lighting behavior. Full color mode turns on the LED white light throughout the night to provide constant color night vision. The night mode uses only the infrared to provide black and white night vision. Smart illumination switches night vision from black and white to color when a detection event is triggered. Once a mode is selected, the setting is automatically saved. Same thing on the mobile app. Remote settings. Device, channel, image control. Lastly, image setting.